All right, in our final example problem, if you already know how to do this, if you feel comfortable, try it out and then check your answer at the end of the video. If not, follow along with me. If you dilute 20.0 milliliters of a 3.5 molar solution, so I start with V1, this is M1, and I'm going to make, this is going to be V2 because this is my final volume, it's what I'm making. What is the molarity of the dilute solution? So we just have M1, V1, M2, V2. M1 is 3.5 molar. V1 is 20.0 milliliters. M2 is unknown, and V2 is 100.0 milliliters. It's always a good idea to make sure your volume units match, and they do. So we're just going to plug it into our formula. M1 V1 equals M2 V2. So I have 3.5 times 20.0 equals M2 times 100.0. So if I wanted to solve for M2, I'm going to divide both sides by 100. So I end up with 3.5 times 20.0 divided by 100.0. Put that in the calculator. Although you maybe could do this using mental math or putting it on paper. You get 70 or 0.7. 0.70 molar. All right, there you go. That's it for solutions. Remember, I want to make sure that I emphasize molarity. That molarity equation up here on the second page of the notes. It's probably our most important equation. So if you only get one part, you got to make sure you get that. Dilutions are not that hard really, so you want to be aware of those as well. We'll see you next time.